How to combine voice memos on iPhone? Well, combining voice memos on an iPhone requires third-party apps or the Files app, as there is no direct merge button in the Apple Voice Memos app. The fastest way to do so is using a merged voice memos app. So you can head into your app store and you can search in for merge voice memos here. So once you search for it here, as you can see merge voice memos. You can install the particular application. Now using this application is pretty simple and easy. All you gotta do is open it up, grant access necessary permissions, and you want to select memos, the voice memos that you would like to merge. I'll just skip this here. So you can see open voice memos, and now you can proceed to open it up and select the voice memos, right? And you can proceed to share it via the app to the particular merge application that we just installed. Now if you are unable to see here, simply head over here and you can select from files. So what you want to do is you want to select the particular voice memos to your files, and once you save it to your files, select from files and then merge it. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.